Hi, this is Olivia, and today we're going to do tricks with my dog Lobo. Lobo! Good boy. Okay, let's start with the popcorn. Come sit over here. Yeah, right there. Now sit. Good boy. You want the food? Ah! Oh God. Okay, let's, okay. So now you're going to watch it closely. Nope. And pop, eat it. Hey, no, you can't eat it. Oh, take it off your mouth. Take it out of your mouth. Well, that did not work, so let's try it again. Lobo, stop being lazy. See that? No. Okay. Okay, let's try the door trap. Okay, I'm going to try this one without a treat. Okay, Lobo, come back in. Come here. Now close the door. Close the door. Close it. Close it. Come on. Let's push it over there. Come on. Close it. Good boy. Sit. High five. High five. High five, baby. Yeah, baby. High five again. Lobo, high five. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's give